This section of rubber on the Mercedes R107 looks fine from the front, if not a little dirty. Turn it round, and first of all you can see that all these clips have snapped off, and secondly it's very rusty, perhaps too rusty to save, so we're going to clip this rubber off and see what the bit looks like underneath. The rubber's going to be absolutely fine. We're just going to soak that in Fiberglass, get rid of all this loose rubber and all the spiders and insects that are living in there. We've just been over this with the wire wheel, and I might just dip it in Fiberglass and see if I can patch it with Fiberglass and see what it comes out like. And you can see we've just finished Fiberglassing it, giving it a first sand down. All the black bits there are where it is holed completely. You can buy this one piece, it's £20 from the SL shop, but we're just going to try and repair it because we've got plenty of other things to spend money on this car. So we've sanded it down. I'm just going to fill this now with some glazing spot putty and then sand it and get it smooth, prime it and spray it. It's come out much better than expected. If you remember how rusty and pitted the whole thing was before, it's not perfect bodywork, but you'll never see that because it'll be a bit behind the rubber. And on the back of it we have just a Fiberglass patch going all the way along. The rubber has been totally cleaned out, all rust has gone. We can put that back together and just get these clips from either Mercedes or the SL part shop and put that back on the front of the bumper. We've just come back from the SL shop, and one of the things we needed was the 6 clips that go inside here. And what you may find is that they don't fit initially, so we've just got a little bit of a carbide burr on a drill just to make that slightly thinner. If you've Fiberglass this to fix it like we have, it becomes slightly thicker and the clips don't quite fit. Those clips are 79p each, or £4.75 for the set. What we need to do now is clip the rubber on top of there. Just clip the rubber on, gone over it with a little bit of Black in a Flash turtle wax, and that's as good as new, ready to clip back on the car. It's a rubber piece, just snaps on, clips on the middle there, and then you can attach the number plate, and that's pretty much the front bumper done. Next we're on to the headlights, just fitting the eyebrows and then fitting the headlights into the sockets.